Yeah.
Because if we go to the same
Cardio?
place, yeah, because if we go to the same place every time, they're gonna start countering us with like one hand arcane.
Are
Or
they?
yeah, remember Foot Freak, man?
What?
Do you remember Foot Freaks? We kill them one day, and then next day they bring one hand arcane tank.
Mm.
I don't think so. They just one and doctor.
No, bro, it's because we great nature kill them.
If they try counters, they probably bring heavy mason, life core something.
Yeah, but if we change city every time, then they never counter because they like, oh, it's just one time. They never come again. Random group,
Whatever.
and then we fucking bitch slap them. Pow pow.
Yeah, you play like bitch.
No,
Oh
that's
man.
not. No, you don't understand, man. Your English is trash.
I think I understand exactly.
No, you don't understand anything that I just said. The fuck, man.
저항 포션 좀 필요한 사람? 10개 있는데? 5개씩 나눠드림. 안피님
You
거 조금
saying no or
줄까?
no?
What's up, Adeba?
Are
저항
you guys?
받아가세요.
Staying on?
Yeah.
No, no, no. I'm about to log off.
Okay.
펜타가 저항
Hi,
받을게.
BRB. I'm jumping.
Bye bye.
오케이.
Bye-bye. Good luck. Have fun.
바이.
I'm gonna check the static real quick. T6, you know what I'm saying? Driftwood Glen. Oh my god, everything is so red. Wow. Is this side red? Yeah. You guys want to check deeper, or do you think it's nobody? We can check. Let's check a little bit. Just a little
Yeah.
bit. A little bit. Yeah, maybe
Everything red.
second floor? Let's go. I have no bubble? Oh, shit. Goodbye. This shit, it's all red,
Bruh.
man. What? It's all red.
Okay.
Bro.
You want to check? You want to check boss? If red boss?
No, just say out.
I only have one.
No, it's okay. I think we're going home now. So.
Oh, I have one. I have one. This one. That's one.
Medium chest northeast, 5 minute. I'm holding my pee right now
Why are you saying that?
because I don't know.
I don't want to know.
Contact. Wait, go stay back a little bit. Oh my god! What is this guy? This fucking 7. What is that?
Jump Q Harrow Pool.
What is that, bro?
Take it.
I can't. He run away, man. He was Black Panther, bro.
Contact versus cheater.
Whoa, there's a lot of shitters though. Oh my god. Oh, there's a healer here. Who's this? Conflict?
Oh, where?
Oh, conflict. I hate conflict.
And there is giant statue, driftwood ground.
Ah,
Fuck.
Wanna go there?
Giant statue where?
Driftwood ground.
Oh, not again. I'm not turning back.
Uh,
Just chest and go back
Where are we going?
home after chest.
I mean, where? Not home, like city.
Oh, go back to Carleone. This is the road.
Yeah.
Okay. Conflict have one healer, one bolt caster. Where did that chill howl go? 7-2. So juice.
Haggard bird.
Was that Hellgate build?
You know, kinda like Chihara and Hiller.
Oh, southeast contact. Giant Road. Also.
Nah.
Nah.
Okay, that was actually. Never mind.
Oh,
Man,
coming.
I want this giant horse, bro.
No, you can't. This is not going first.
I know. Oh, this guy's kind of juicy though. Oh, that's Royal Sandal. You want to chase, Ampy? Let's go. Penta, get him.
Can I say yes?
Oh, did this mount?
The demote.
How many? Oh my God, they have a couple.
Yeah, they just should. I'm just using right now.
You want to wait for me, actually?
Yeah, these dinosaurs dismount.
Yeah,
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 yeah, yeah.
southeast. West, we're on the west. Northwest.
Oh wait, they have hero.
Mhm.
My demon up.
Okay, you see the healer? 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Oh no, Great Holy.
Yeah.
Oh, we're careful. We just got pierced. Wait,
It's
oh,
it.
this is heavy mace.
Oh, yeah,
Ampy.
southeast.
Yeah. Come back,
Yeah.
come back. This is the great chill hell. Chill hell.
Oh, they are the
Ampy.
same groups.
Yeah, same. Yo,
I'm
Ampy, do you have E?
Yeah.
Do you
No,
see-
no,
do you
not
see-
it. Yeah, go, do.
Okay. Just kill the chill hell. No.
Oh,
Oh, hey, he's still dead.
oh, easy.
Chase him. I don't care.
Let's
chase.
go.
I got
Oh,
it. I got it. Keep fighting. Okay. I have Pierce and 5.
Yeah.
Oh shit, they have heavy mace. Okay.
No.
Careful. Watch yourself. Penta.
Three.
Wait for it. Wait.
My demon up.
Okay, look out. Wait, Penta, go north. We're just gonna kill on Penta. 3, 2, 1,
Yeah.
on Penta.
Oh, heavy mess.
Oh, heavy mace silence. It's okay.
I heard him jacket.
Yo, I want to kill this broadsword. I'm gonna chase the broadsword.
Yeah, chase. I'm gonna fight them. You okay? You're doing okay. I'm gonna chase more just.
Giant horse, no trash.
Oh, yeah, this heavy mess, dude.
Okay, everyone else run. Yeah, just get the heavy mace.
It's
Yeah.
the heavy mess. Yeah, he just.
Penta, can you loot that? Penta, just someone loot that.
Yeah, I'm gonna look. Did you loot Chirao?
No.
I did.
Oh,
Wait,
nice.
I didn't. What the fuck?
Are you checking the body? You
I'm
guys
just
good?
kidding.
Yeah.
Enigmatic is here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we need to kill this guy fast. Yo!
It's running away.
Yo, am I trolling?
Yes, you are. You fucking dumb.
Dumb.
Oh,
I got
where were we
persistent.
gonna southwest? Oh,
Can you kill him?
yeah. Maybe.
Wait, why is he going away from gate? Is he stupid?
Man,
Oh my god.
you fucking dying!
I'm just having fun. Oh wait, who's this guy in east?
Naked.
Oh, naked. Alright, let's go home.
Yeah.
Kill him.